guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick breakfast options using my wellness protein from Teami blends. They are packed with protein. All 3 of them are gluten-free and 2 of them are vegan friendly. Let's get into it. Today's video is in partnership with Teami Blends. I've been using the wellness blend for about 2 weeks now, and I'm really loving the addition to my fitness lifestyle, especially since I started mixing it into my food recipes. So one of the things that I love the most is the energy that it's been giving me. I've had some long days the past week filming for a new series, and this has definitely kept me going. I've even left a discount code for you guys in the description box. 20% off your entire purchase.